2 perk, 4 perk, see her. After that, I left her unearthed. Don't mess my fly, I mess my how it won't work. Hide in the stars, I boot up in Converse. She took a half, I left her ass in Miami. She took a hat, don't play with me, I left her stranded. I don't remember anyway, you say it's Xanax. Betrayal, disappoint me with.
What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back at it again with another video, man. Today, man, I'll be showing y'all how y'all get y'all hair like the real G Money. It took me a little minute, but I ain't want to get it twisted up, but my daddy, he was tripping about it because of, I don't know, but I'm finna cut my hair off and grow it back like that. But look, that's how I was before. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures in the video. But this how my hair is when I take it up out the scrunchie. You dig? Man, all you really need for real in this video is a brush and some curling cream. It don't matter what curling cream you got, all you need is a brush. Don't use no sponge. It's gonna take a little minute though. I can break it down to y'all right now. I'm gonna break it down to you right now. All you really need is the brush. Like I said, it gotta be soft. It gotta be soft. You can use like a little wave brush or something like that. So what you want to do is you want to use the curling cream. You want to use the curling cream for about 2 weeks straight. Don't start on your hair until you use your curling cream by 2 weeks. Once you use your curling cream for about 2 weeks, you want to start on your hair. And once you start on your hair, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna use your brush. You're gonna use your brush like a sponge. You're gonna twist it around like that. You're gonna go like that. You're gonna create twists. I said twists. But hey, man, it's really not hard, man. All you gotta do is just stay dedicated to your hair, man. If you really like your hair, man, you're gonna work on your hair, man. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of time to get it like that. And once you got it twisted up, I'll twist it up and stuff, man. It was easy. It was easy for me. Cause when I got my hair, like when I finally saw my twist, like, cause I've been trying to do it with the brush for the longest. Then I was like, God dang, boy, my hair ain't gonna never twist up with this brush. So I started using curling cream, cause I was gonna recently like grow some curls. I'm gonna grow it out curly. But then all of a sudden one day I wound up using the brush. It was a wave brush. It had two sides. It had a soft side and a hard side. That's the brush that you really want to use. You want to use the wave brush. Got the soft side and the hard side. You want to use the soft side, but you can use any brush with a soft. It got to be soft though. It got to be soft, not too soft, but soft enough. Look, you gotta be able to do it like that. But yeah, though, that's all to it, man. It's really not hard at all. Your hair got to be able to twist up, and the most important part I forgot to mention is the new growth. The new growth, you gotta let the new growth grow up under it after you twist it up, so that it can have that little afro-ish look to it. You gotta let your new growth grow up under it some. But hey though, that's all to the video, man. It's really not that hard. It's just simple, man. Just stick to what you're doing. But don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, man. And turn on your post notification, and I'm gone.
I don't know what my body feeling shame. Girl, they go broke on you, but I can't break you. If I was your mouth cover, I still couldn't shake you. The take you for per see her. After that, I left her unearthed. Don't mess my fly, I mess my how it won't work. Hiding the stars, I boot up in Converse. She took a half, I left her ass in Miami. She took a hand, don't play with me, I left her stranded.